Hello students, let's talk about nucleophilic substitution reaction, and today we will discuss about SN2 reaction. What does means SN2 reaction? Substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reaction, right? So here the substrate is alkyl halide, haloalkene, right? In haloalkene you know carbon and X यानी halogen bond. What happened? The shared electron is shifted toward the halogen because halogen is more electronegative, and in this way the halogen carry the partial negative charge and on the carbon there is partial positive charge. Now when nucleophile attack, what does means nucleophile? Nucleophile means nucleus loving and carry the negative charge. तो इसके पास दो रास्ते हैं, there is two way to attack on the carbon, from the front side and from the back side. When it goes from the front side, जब ये सामने से अटैक करेगा, then it has to face the halogen group which already carry the partial negative charge. So negative charge repel each other. So halogen does not allow to attack from the front side. So another way is from the back side. So nucleophile attack from the back side, right? And slowly what happen? Start forming the bond between nucleophile and carbon. At the same time we have taken here polar aprotic solvent. What is polar aprotic solvent? Like acetone, right? Acetone is polar aprotic solvent. Dimethyl formide, dimethyl sulfamide, they are the polar aprotic solvent. So now what is the function of this solvent over here? Polar aprotic solvent is the solvent which do not produce the protons, right? Number one. Number two, polar aprotic solvent favor this bond to break. In the presence of polar aprotic solvent, CX bond, breaking of CX bond will be favored. So that is why polar aprotic solvent is taken over here. So what happened? Nucleophile and carbon bond is start forming, and at the same time carbon and halogen bond start breaking. So this happen at the same time, simultaneously this process happen. एक साइड बॉन्ड बनेगा कार्बन न्यूक्लियोफाइल के बीच में, दूसरी साइड बॉन्ड टूटेगा कार्बन और हेलोजन के बीच में. And in this way we will have one transition state, and this is very unstable state. Why it is unstable? Because here you can see the carbon is showing pentavalency, but carbon is not pentavalent, it is tetravalent. This happened for very short time of period, like this happen in 10 to the power minus 6 per second in the speed. So what we will get? We will get the compound, right? And what has happened? The nucleophile and carbon, the bond between nucleophile and carbon will be completely formed, and this X will be completely leave. So this is leaving group. So here we will get the inversion compound. This is also called Walden inversion, right? So what is inversion? Inversion means if suppose we have taken here the compound which is optically active compound, the substrate which is optically active, and rotate the light into clockwise, rotate the plane polarized light into clockwise, then we will have the compound which rotate the plane polarized light into anti-clockwise. Now that means the substrate is optically active. What does means optically active? Optically active means a compound which rotate plane polarized light into either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Now what is plane polarized light? A rays of light which is unidirectional. एक लाइट की रेज जो यूनिडायरेक्शन में चलते हैं, राइट? अगर कोई कंपाउंड उसको या क्लॉकवाइज या एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में चेंज कर देता है, दैट मीन्स द कंपाउंड इज ऑप्टिकली एक्टिव. Now what kind of compound are optically active? The compound which have chiral carbon. Chiral carbon जिन compound में होगा वो optically active होंगे. Now what is chiral carbon? Chiral carbon is a carbon which is attached from different group from all four sides, जिसकी चारों वैलेंसी में अलग अलग ग्रुप अटैच होते हैं, वो कायरल कंपाउंड होता है. इसको स्टीरियो सेंटर भी बोल सकते हैं और इसको एसिमेट्रिक कार्बन भी बोलते हैं. right? So if we have taken the substrate which is optically active, then we will get the inversion compound, and this inversion compound first have been observed by Walden. So this is also called Walden inversion. Okay, suppose we have one example over here. Suppose we have this type of substrate, like in the 4 the carbon is attached with hydrogen, methyl, ethyl, and one side from chlorine. So here you can see we have the optical active compound, and this structure is like this, the umbrella open into the other side. Now OH from the NaOH or KOH, this is the nucleophile. From the back side it will not attack because of chlorine. Chlorine is halogen which repel or prevent nucleophile to attack from the front side, so it go from back side. When it go from the back side, we have taken polar aprotic solvent. Okay, then what will happen, a stage transition state comes where OH will carbon OH bond will start forming, and at the same time carbon and chlorine bond will start breaking. This time in the transition state, all 3 groups, right, all 3 groups, what are the groups we have taken? We have taken CH3 and C2H5 and H over here, so they will be straightened. जैसे ही न्यूक्लियोफाइल आएगा, पहले ऐसे थे, और जैसे न्यूक्लियोफाइल जुड़ने के लिए आएगा ये सीधे हो जाएंगे टू वेलकम द न्यूक्लियोफाइल. एंड आफ्टरवर्ड वंस द क्लोरीन लीव द ग्रुप, जैसे ही क्लोरीन लीव करेगा ग्रुप को और OH कार्बन OH बॉन्ड बन जाएगा, वैसे ही जो ये स्ट्रक्चर था वो उल्टा हो जाएगा इस टाइप में. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट इन्वर्जन. पहले ये स्ट्रक्चर था, यानी अम्ब्रेला अंदर की तरफ खुला हुआ था, और जैसे ही न्यूक्लियोफाइल आता है देन व्हाट विल हैपन, इट चेंजेस इनटू दिस वे. सो दिस इज व्हाट कॉल्ड inversion compound, and it is also observed by Walden. So now let's talk about some important point in SN2 reaction. So now let's talk about some important fact related to SN2 reaction. In SN2 reaction, the rate of reaction will depend on substrate as well as nucleophile, right? सबस्ट्रेट और न्यूक्लियोफाइल दोनों की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन पे रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन डिपेंड करेगी. इफ़ सपोज सबस्ट्रेट यानी हेलो एल्केन की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन हम डबल कर देते हैं, राइट, देन द रेट विल बी डबल. इफ़ सपोज न्यूक्लियोफाइल की हमने डबल कर दी कंसंट्रेशन, तो भी रेट कितना हो जाएगा, डबल हो जाएगा. इफ़ सपोज दोनों की हमने डबल कर दी रिएक्शन, तो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन 4 टाइम्स इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. दैट मीन्स द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन डिपेंड ऑन द बोथ nucleophile as well as substrate. Now this is second order reaction because the rate of reaction depend on both, and bimolecular reaction because 2 molecules have been take part to determine the rate of reaction. Now it is single step reaction. The next very important is it is single step reaction. The transition state which is formed is very unstable and for very short time of period. It is like 10 to the power minus 6 second, as I have told you. And another thing is if substrate is optically active, अगर substrate जो है वो optically active है, मतलब chiral carbon is present in substrate, then we will get inversion compound. Next one is rate of reaction also be inversely proportional to stereohindrance. स्टीरियोहिंड्रेंस क्या होती है? सपोज हेयर ज़्यादा क्राउड है, सपोज हेयर आई हैव टेकन CH3, हेयर आई हैव टेकन C2H5, मिथाइल ग्रुप, एथाइल ग्रुप एंड प्रोपाइल ग्रुप. तो क्या होगा, इधर पे ज़्यादा क्राउड होगा बैक साइड में, यहाँ पे कार्बन के ऊपर ज़्यादा क्राउड होगा, देन इट विल बी वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर द न्यूक्लियोफाइल टू अटैक. तो जितना ज़्यादा क्राउड होगा, जितना ज़्यादा स्टीरियोहिंड्रेंस होगा, उतना स्लो रिएक्शन होगा. द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन ऑल्सो डिपेंड ऑन द स्टीरियोहिंड्रेंस, राइट. जितना ज़्यादा बल्कि ग्रुप्स होंगे उतना स्लो रिएक्शन होगा, और जितना लाइट ग्रुप होंगे, जितने लोअर कैटेगरी लोअर मेंबर ऑफ एल्किल ग्रुप होगा, उतना जल्दी रिएक्शन होगी. सो वी कैन से the rate of reaction will be faster in primary carbon होगा तो ज़्यादा तेज़ी से ये रिएक्शन होगी SN2 सेकेंडरी के कंपैरिजन में और टर्सरी के कंपैरिजन में। सेकेंडरी में ज़्यादा होगा और टर्सरी में सबसे स्लो रिएक्शन होगी बिकॉज ऑफ स्टोरिक हिंड्रेंस। ज़्यादा क्राउड होगा, रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन उतना कम होगा। इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट न्यूक्लियोफाइल दिस लीविंग ग्रुप, इफ लीविंग ग्रुप इज strong electronegative like fluorine since it has very strong capacity to bind with the carbon, so it will not leave the carbon easily. So as soon as we go downward, fluorine to iodine, right, the rate of reaction will increase. And if we come from downward to upward, iodine to fluorine, देन ऑल्सो द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन विल इंक्रीज। सबसे ज़्यादा जो है वो आयोडीन साइज बड़ा होगा और आसानी से क्या करेगा, कार्बन को लीव कर जाएगा और व्हाट विल हैपन, देन द न्यूक्लियोफाइल विल बी इजीली अटैच विद द कार्बन। सो आयोडीन ब्रोमीन, दिस इज व्हाट द ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन। दिस ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन विल फेवर आयोडीन अगर है लीविंग ग्रुप में, देन इट विल बी मोर एज कम्पेयर टू ब्रोमीन। इफ ब्रोमीन इज देयर एज कम्पेयर टू क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन विल फेवर क्लोरीन एज कम्पेयर टू फ्लोरीन विल फेवर, right? And one more important thing, that is polar aprotic solvent. We have taken here polar aprotic solvent which favor CX bond to break. Okay, so that is all about the nucleophilic substitution reaction, bimolecular substitution reaction. Let's see into the comparison of SN1 and SN2 reaction, which is very important. So now let's compare between SN1 and SN2 reaction. In SN2 reaction, substrate nucleophile attack from the back side, right, and transition state will take place and we will get the inversion compound if substrate is optically active. In SN2 reaction, what will happen, first cleavage of CX bond will take place. This is a very slow process, right? And then one carbocation is formed. Carbocation, the carbon contain the positive charge, and then the nucleophile attack on the carbon and attach with the carbon with the C nucleophile bond, right? So here let's have the comparison point, right? Here you can see in SN2 reaction the stability अगर देखेंगे हम तो SN2 reaction में जो प्राइमरी कार्बन है, प्राइमरी कार्बन यहाँ कम हिंड्रेंस शो करेगा, स्टीरियो हिंड्रेंस विल बी लेस इन केस ऑफ प्राइमरी कार्बन, देन सेकेंडरी कार्बन एंड देन टर्सरी कार्बन। टर्सरी कार्बन के केस में क्या होगा, यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा अलग अलग बड़े बड़े ग्रुप होंगे तो ये रिएक्शन क्या होगी, सबसे कम होगी टर्सरी कार्बन के केस में। बट हेयर ऑन द अदर हैंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट SN1 reaction, the stability of carbocation, the primary carbocation is less stable than the tertiary carbocation is more stable, then the more product will be formed in case of tertiary in SN1 reaction. But here it is one primary, secondary, tertiary in SN2, in SN1 tertiary, secondary and primary. Now solvent in SN2 reaction we have taken polar aprotic solvent, right, which is only used to weaken the bond, CX bond, and in case of SN1 we have taken polar protic like alcohol or water, where it take part in the reaction. Now carbocation, in the SN1 reaction the carbocation is formed, in SN2 reaction carbocation is not formed. Transition state is formed in SN2 reaction, whereas in SN1 reaction carbocation is not formed. Optically active, see in SN2 reaction what happened, we get the optical active compound, inversion compound. If it is chiral carbon, then we will get inversion compound, that means they show the optically activity. But in case of SN1 reaction we get racemic mixture. Racemic mixture, we will get the racemic mixture like, and one more compound we will get here like NuCl CH। इस टाइप से हमें दो कंपाउंड मिलेंगे, मिक्सचर ऑफ टू कंपाउंड, या तो ये इस साइड से जुड़ेगा या इस साइड से, दोनों तरफ से ऑप्शन होते हैं इसके पास जुड़ने के लिए, राइट। सो दिस मिक्सचर इज optically inactive. Why? Because one is rotating anti-clockwise, another is rotating clockwise, so it is optically inactive in case of SN1. Now molecularity की बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पे two molecules are taking part, substrate and nucleophile, and here we can say only one molecule RX यानी substrate is taking part, so इसकी molecularity कितनी है 1. नेक्स्ट वन ऑर्डर देखेंगे, सेकेंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, बिकॉज रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज डिटरमाइंड बाय बोथ सबस्ट्रेट एल्किल हैलाइड एज वेल एज न्यूक्लियोफाइल. हियर द ऑर्डर इज फर्स्ट बिकॉज रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज डिटरमाइंड बाय ओनली सबस्ट्रेट एल्किल हैलाइड. रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन डिपेंड ऑन बोथ substrate as well as nucleophile. Here depend on the substrate. Rate determining step, since it is a single step reaction, so there is no rate determining step, right? But here the first step is very slow and rate determining step. That means जितने ज़्यादा कार्बोकेटाइन बनेगा उतने जल्दी न्यूक्लियोफाइल ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट बनाएगा. If it is slow, then if the concentration of substrate is less, then the rate of reaction will be slow. If the concentration of substrate is more, then the rate of reaction is fast. So rate determining step is first step. Nature of nucleophile. यहाँ पे हम strong nucleophile लेते हैं. Why? Because it is opposed by this group and it has to go and attack from the back side and immediately form the bond. So here we are taking the strong nucleophile. On the other hand, here we are taking the weak nucleophile because carbocation is already formed. It has to only attach. So this is all about the comparison of SN1 and SN2 reaction. Hope you will understand. Thank you.